Get me Tony.
Stand by for Mr. Stark.
What do you want? I'm busy.
Am I annoying you? Just trying to save Earth.
To be honest, what really bothers me is the arrival of incoming extraterrestrial missiles.
Tony, I'm closing in on the warheads. Did you get the data I sent?
Missile data is being decoded. I'm making countermeasures.
Well, you work on that countermeasure. I have my own way of dealing with these things.
Not so fast. Save the fireworks for later. If you don't make it in time, I can improvise.
I don't know how much you can do against a Kree warhead all by yourself.
One try is all I need.
Wow, Stark. Your ego is so big, I can see it from space.
Take care of the missiles instead of my ego.
Thanks. I can multitask.
My friends, we have work to do. Friday, let's go. Purge and relight the central unit and auxiliary generators.
Okay, draining mainframe auxiliary power.
Whoa, whoa, I told you to turn them back on too.
Energizing.
That's better. Come on, let's move on. Take up all the available space. We don't have much time left. Analysis of the retractable panels.
Retractable panels analyzed.
Recalibration of subsystems.
Subsystems recalibrated.
Now balance the juice into my repulsors.
Repulsors augmented. Consider your hands juiced.
It looks perfect to me, Friday.
Thank you. So glad you approve.
Call Carol.
Contacting Captain Marlowe.
Are you ready?
Sure, what's the plan?
We've got a situation. As you know, Kree warheads are headed our way, and we need your help.
Don't worry, I've created a transponder that will fool the missile guidance system and make you a target. These transponders are loaded into the Flight Force hypersonic vehicles. Your mission, pilot these vehicles and divert the missiles from the Earth.
Right. You'll be joining us on the mission. Tony's built a transponder that the missile's targeting system will lock onto. He's loaded the transponders into his hypersonic vehicles. So you'll fly the hypersonics and draw the missiles away from the planet. That's when Heavy Metal and I can do our thing.
You'll have to shoot the missiles out of enemy range and I'll pulverize them. They're really close to Earth.
Unfortunately, Tony's right. We've got one chance to save the planet. So no pressure.
We can't afford to make a mistake. Everyone is ready, so let's not delay anymore. Go save the world.
Recruits, before you can save the planet, you'll need